Hi guys. Hey, want to do an unboxing of something that is just way beyond cool if you're a Tamiya lover. Uh, this was designed and came out, I guess, in 1979, and it had a different name. It was the um, oh god, it slipped my mind. Um, but anyway, the racing buggy champ now is the name of it, but it's still the same basic car. But we're gonna unbox this baby. This came from an awesome supporter of the channel. Someone that has really helped me out with content and stuff, and I appreciate so very much. When he said he was sending me this, I was like, wow. So here it is. This is a 2009 revamp of it too. Alright. Get the box to stay out of the way. Of course, got your instructions, the awesome Tamiya manual. I just love Tamiya manuals, man. I mean, they show you everything step by step, right way to do it. You got any questions on bolt sizes or anything, it's always right there. Great stuff. So there's the awesome manual. Now, here's the decals that come with it, which I'm going to use a few of them, but I'm doing this in, I know you probably can't see it in this deal here because they're all white, but Skull Bandit colors. So this will be a pretty cool looking car when it's all done. Green. Gonna do like a metallic green. But yeah, here's the hard body shell. Very cool. The inside plastic deal that contains all the electronics, keeps everything waterproof, etc. Get it out of the bag, huh? There's your case for that, and then it's got some other pieces in there, diff covers, looks like, some other stuff. Very cool. Very 1979-ish. And you got your rear Volkswagen rear end that, or rear bars go around the what would be the motor in the real car. The 1060 ESC, very cool. And this thing has blister packs that are unreal. The motor case, it's all metal. You got universal joints, metal universal joints. Very cool. Then there's another blister pack that, dude, it's almost criminal to cut into all this stuff. Just the way the blister packs are laid out. It's just so cool. I mean, how that they blistered everything. It comes a full set of bearings. Even though I'm going to change out the ones for the wheels and put in sealed rubber sealed bearings for the wheels. But I'm going to, of course, use these in the gearbox and stuff because I like them in the gearbox when they are all metal shield. But very cool stuff. Got your driver, roll bar, roof. It's got a full driver figure, full gauge cluster, which would be neat to detail that up. KC lights, which I actually have, thanks to Jamie at D-Town RC. We got KC decals. Here's your wheels, which I am going to get the aluminum outer sides just because they look totally freaking cool and totally look the part, because these wheels back in the days when these buggies were running for real, they were either gloss white or aluminum, and that's the only colors you've seen them in. So now comes the fun part. Of course, your Tamiya blah 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 sheet. I have not been into this yet, so this ought to be interesting. To see what all is in the bag or the box. Dump it all out. Make it easy. Oh man. Dude, look at the box art. Just on that alone. That is cool. Excuse me. Okay, I got your rear antenna, which that's pretty cool. Excuse me. That's pretty cool. It attaches to your rear bars around the motor. That's neat. Screw bag C. Screw bag A. Here's a deal. It's got some plungers, zip ties, O-rings. This looks to be maybe a servo saver. A friend of mine was telling me the servo saver on this thing is very interesting to put together. There's a roll bar, aluminum. There's a lot of metal in this car. Antenna rod. Screw bag A. Lug nuts and some other pieces. Here's all your screws for screw bag D that are mostly all wheel screws. Ooh, the shocks. This whole thing is just nothing but shock parts. There is no spring. They are not coilover springs. They're just full-on four-fold shocks, so that should be interesting. There's a couple of gear parts, a couple of front suspension parts. Here are some pinion gears and some more gears. Ball ends, thread lock. Oh, that's cool, thread lock. Ceramic grease, the dampening oil, which I've got 2 bottles of it laying here I'm going to use up. So, not going to open up a brand new bottle. And here's some metal parts that look to be like tie rod ends, some springs, body clips, etc. This looks to be the chassis, which looks like it's a carbon fiber, possibly, or fiberglass. Carbon fiber or fiberglass, one of the two. And it's got an aluminum plate with a couple of weird looking zip ties, big zip ties. So that's cool. And then the metal front bumper. So that's pretty interesting. Never seen one of them before. So yeah, this is going to be a very, very cool build, guys. Definitely looking forward to getting started on this tomorrow. I'm going to start doing the build series on it. I'll start that tomorrow and go from there, because I want to definitely get it rocking and rolling, especially now that it's starting to warm up and I'm going to be able to get it outside and have some fun with it. definitely Tamiya season. I'm just, like I said, just very, very thankful to the supporter that sent me this. I mean, man, he's donated a lot of cars, and very good guy. Really, really, really appreciate it. So, okay, well, yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a Skull Bandit. I got the decals from MCI out of Canada. Oh, made in Canada, eh? Made in Canada. Yeah, the decals were like $20, and I was like another 14 something to ship them. It was crazy. Like $14.95 to ship them, but oh well, they're worth it. They're the old. They look like there's copies of the old Autographics stuff that we had back in the 80s and 90s. Autographics, they were like the standard of decals and stuff back then. So yeah, like I said, I've got all kinds of Skull Bandit stuff, and definitely gonna do it up cool with that. I think what I'm gonna do it green, and then I'm gonna do the 110, the side piece that goes down, leave that, and then that's about it. And then the Skull Bandit, the other stuff. I haven't really figured it out yet, but I will. But alright guys, well, that's the unboxing. Definitely appreciate you checking things out, and stay tuned for the build. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. So, which I have fun with all my builds, but you know. Alright guys, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.